Welcome back. Now, Canva does have less popular but just as important designs for your business. For example, we can design certain elements of a website, and we can make it so that these elements are going to be mobile responsive. We can design specific business websites. We can filter for what we want in the specific website. Well, if we want a specific color, we can filter for that color. What we can then do is we can click on the template. We can then apply all 6 pages to the template and then begin to design the template. We can remake the layout, and you'll see different layouts here for specific pages that we can apply to the page that we are working on screen. We can then preview the website, and we can see the site as it will appear once we have uploaded it. Once we have completed our edits, we can then publish our website. We then have the option of publishing to a Canva domain, purchasing a new domain through Canva, or using our existing domain. We can choose to have the website without navigation or with navigation. Once we've determined, we can then click Continue. We can then write in a Canva subdomain. We can then click Continue. We then have our Canva site, which we can then publish. We can then view our website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.